Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, good morning. Showers and storms continue to work south with our cold front, but this is just going to be a gradual process to happen. See the movement here? The line of the storms moving almost more east-southeast, but if you look as a whole, this line, watch the front edge of it, gradually pushing south. That's just how slow the front is moving. So with these storms, definitely prolific flashes of lightning and heavy rain. Let's go back to live mode so I can zoom in just a little closer on some of this rain. Torrential rain coming through Madison County right now led to some flash flooding. There is a flash flood warning there until 11:30. Garrett County over into Lincoln, back into Boyle and Mercer counties, some heavier rain going there. The rain is starting to lighten up into Nicholasville. It's actually pretty much shut off. We're looking in Southern Fayette County, still some rain, but then the heavy rain stretches from Estill, Powell, over to Lee, Wolf, Breathitt counties, over into further into Magoffin County, Knott County now, Floyd County, up toward Martin and Johnson counties and Pike County too. So a lot of rain to still contend with. And areas farther to the south have still yet to see anything. Somerset, London, Monticello, Williamsburg, Middlesboro, Harlan, down into Barberville, but you're going to get in on the action. It's just going to take some time. May actually be into the afternoon before you find some rain down there. Lots of clouds, though, overhead at all four cameras, even in Somerset. You can see, look at the torrential rain still falling here in Richmond, and a number of flash flood warnings, as I was just mentioning, a few of those there just a moment ago. You can see flash flood warning here into Anderson County. Also flash flood warning for Mercer County, Jessamine County, Fayette County, into Madison and Clark counties. Those go to 11:30. Franklin and Scott counties till 9:15. Elsewhere, though, look, newly issued flash flood watch or flood watch that now encompasses all of the Fox 56 viewing area. It's been extended to go until 10 a.m. down to the south. So yes, that flood watch remains in place. So if you live in a flood prone area, keep a watchful eye on the water levels. Also tornado watch until 11 a.m. this morning. They're likely not going to allow this to expire, but I'm being perfectly honest here. The severe threat at the moment for those counties that are included in that is pretty slim to none. Farther to the south, though, where the air is more unstable and untapped and it's warmer and it's more humid in the upper 70s, low 80s, that is going to be the area here that stands the better chance into the afternoon today to potentially see some stronger severe storms. See them flaring up here, see temperatures south into the 80s. This model trying to paint low 90s farther south. Now, if rain were to hold off that long, I could see it potentially get into the upper 80s. But I think a lot of spots south, mid-upper 80s ahead of some storms. And then for us in central Kentucky, upper 70s, maybe low 80s, with additional scattered showers and storms around. But our severe threat farther north is slim to none now. We've already seen that line move south of us. For today, farther south is where the air is untapped and could see some stronger severe storms. We'll keep an eye on it. Temperatures as we go into the day on Friday are looking into the upper 70s and low 80s. Lower humidity moves in. There could be a few early morning showers far southeast Kentucky, but most of us tomorrow won't see any rain. Saturday's dry. Sunday, Father's Day, storms moving in into the afternoon. More storms Sunday night into Monday with another cold front. Then we're trending drier for Tuesday, Wednesday, but I'll keep small rain chances, unfortunately, for both days. We'll keep an eye on it throughout the rest of the week.